Second, to realize how far we've come. Empowered by all the things we've made together.
How many people have looked at a problem and then been bold enough to say, I can solve it?
And staring at a future we all get to decide.
AI as the ultimate tool to solve all the world's most complex scientific problems.
We're taking flight. Every one of us is packed with potential. The potential to make anything we can dream of.
I do not know personally how to code, but given the option to create something just opens up so many doors for me as an educator.
I discovered Gemini could help me with a lot of things, from menus to marketing and inventory.
But in a world where anything is possible,
we're really pushing at this big mission, the mission of solve all disease. This is huge, but we have a profoundly new technology in our hands.
What matters is what we choose to build.
Hi, my name is Mateo. My brother Tommaso made me this AI assistant.
So, let's not just make. Let's make something that matters. Second,
for the past 3 years, artificial intelligence has basically been a chatbot. You open a tab, you type a prompt, it gives you an answer, and then it stops. It sits there, waiting for you to tell it what to do next. But as of right now, that entire era is officially over. At Google I/O, the tech giant didn't just announce upgrades to its models. They announced a structural shift in how humans interact with computers. We are moving out of the chatbot era and entering the agentic era. Meet Gemini Spark. This isn't an app on your phone. This is a persistent, autonomous personal AI agent that lives and breathes inside dedicated virtual machines on Google Cloud. Because it lives in the cloud, Spark can handle what computer scientists call long horizon tasks. These are multi-step projects that take hours, days, or even weeks to complete. How does it do this without completely going off the rails? Google built a proprietary software framework called the Google Anti-Gravity Harness. Think of it as a set of guardrails and continuous self-correction loops. Now, while Gemini Spark handles massive background projects, you still need to manage your day-to-day life. Google's solution to this is an out-of-the-box agent called Daily Brief. Daily Brief acts as a highly trained executive assistant that securely accesses your Gmail, your Google Calendar, and your personal task lists. But it does something fundamentally different than the summarization tools we've seen before. It skips the fluff and focuses entirely on action prioritization. There is a massive new term taking over the technology landscape right now, and it's called vibe coding. It means you describe the vibe, the mood, and the functionality you want, and the AI handles the execution in real time right in front of your eyes. Google's weapon for this era is an interactive agent designed for deep collaboration called Google Flow. Flow provides a live, shared digital canvas where you can build bespoke video effects, hand-drawn vector animations, or entire user interface layers through plain conversational prompts. Our final agent removes the need to type precise prompts entirely. voice-powered Docs Live. You can speak to it naturally, like you're talking to a brilliant co-writer sitting across the room. As you are speaking, Docs Live is actively listening, interpreting your intent, and structuring, editing, and formatting deep, long-form documents live in front of you. This leaves us with a fascinating question. If an AI can run your research, organize your life, design your assets, and write your scripts entirely in the background, what is the true role of the human creator? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.